to use Lasso tool to remove background of your photo on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the desired photo. Tap the pencil icon at the bottom of the screen to go to the edit photo screen. Tap the four dot icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap Lasso. Now tap or draw around the object you want to keep in the picture. By default, the Lasso tool is set to freeform and snap to shape. That's why the line you draw will snap onto the object. Tap next to remove the background. If needed, you can soften the border of the selected object. To do so, pick the color you like to use for the border. And then slide the border thickness adjustment bar as needed. If you are happy with the result, tap Done button and then tap Save to save the change. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.